We traded 30,000 SPX 0DTE trades using AI and robots. Let's show you what worked. My wife and I trade together every single day. She's a former banker and successful house flipping investor. I started and sold 2 internet companies. I retired at age 42. I'm an attorney. Most importantly, I'm a professional gambler. Our motto on our channel is math makes money. Let me explain how. Over the last year, we had AI backtest 20 million trades a week. Our AI robots executed 30,000 SPX 0DTE trades. Let me show you how we learned that math makes money. Welcome to Chapter 5, the final chapter. We're going to talk about activating the robots and forward testing. Although we do 30,000 trades a year, we don't use our fingers for anything. We don't use a keyboard. Every single trade is put on by the AI robots. I'm going to show you in this chapter exactly how we do it, and then we're going to do some forward testing to make sure that everything that we've done comes out according to what we thought it would do. In order to build a robot, the first thing we got to do is go to one of our back tests, and we're going to say create automatic strategy. Again, this is all done in Options Omega. We like this back tester because it's really easy to create robots. If you want to get 50% off, there's a coupon down below. You get 50% off, and they send me $15, which I just give to the Humane Fund to help dogs and cats and pets. So if you want to save the dogs and cats and pets, buy your Options Omega using the 50% coupon from my website, our YouTubes here, and we'll all be better off for it. Now, here's the slide and screen that shows you exactly how we're going to build this robot. First thing you're going to do is fill in all the choices, and here's all the choices you're going to get as you start to build this robot. A lot of it will already be pre-filled in on Options Omega from the backtest, but there's still thousands of opportunities for you to make mistakes or to customize your particular robot, and that's the start of it right here. But you're not finished now. Once you do all the initial things, then you have to set up your robot by leg groups. Remember, we're putting on a put credit spread and a call credit spread, and then we're doing the stop loss on the short leg, and we're doing the OTO trade on the long leg. If you don't know what that is, go back to the prior chapters. Here's where you put that on. Again, thousands of combinations. Once you do the initial robot setup, once you do the legs, then you're still not done. Now you've got to do the exit conditions. There's a whole bunch of exit conditions here. You can see what they are, thousands of these. You got to make sure that this is set up for every single trade that you're doing. Okay, so you set up your entry strategies for your robot. You set up your leg strategies for your robot. You set up your exit strategies for your robot. Now you've got to do the Punisher. This is fees, commissions, slippage, entry and exit windows all need to be put in here. Lots and lots of options, as you can see, on how to set it up. Here's what the screen looks like. All of this is on Options Omega. Don't forget to save those cats and dogs and pets by using the 50% coupon down in the links below. Once you've done all those things to set up your robot, the next thing you need to do is to automate it, and you do that by just clicking the Automate button. Once you do that, you got to click the Is Active button, and now the robot is trading. Wow, that's complicated. There's a lot to it. There's absolutely a lot to it. There's a lot of opportunity for human error, and it even gets a little bit worse because now you've got to turn off every week, every Sunday night, you're going to have to turn off all 125 robots, turn on all 125 new robots. That can take up to a minute or two each. And so if you're going to do 125 off and 125 on, you can do the math. That's a lot of minutes. You're still not done. You still have to click live and then you are live. All your trades will go live. All your robots will go live. And now you're just going to sit back and watch your trades in real time. So after you're done watching your trades in real time, we get to the results. Everybody likes this page. This one's a little different because it's just different days. But you can see here we had $188,000 profit for each $1 million we had in the fund. This was over 90 days. We did 7,700 plus trades, collected $1 million in premium. There's some trades going off automatically. We had a capture rate of 10%, kind of low actually. Normally it's between 10 and 17. And winners and losers. And you can see we made 18.87% in 90 days. And we're normally between 54 and 72% annual rate of return. So that's about right. Okay, only one more slide after this one. Remember what you've learned today. We're going to test, we're going to trade, we're going to repeat. Math makes money. Every single thing we do is based on math. We base with our heads, not with our hearts. We never try and predict the market. We have a positive expected value on every single trade that we put on because we do 20 million back tests a week. Then we run it all through AI and it tells us what to trade and when to trade it and what strategies. That's what you need to do to put on 30,000 trades every single year and to be extremely profitable in it. Okay, last slide, we're going to say bye-bye. If any of this free information has been of any value to you, we'd really appreciate it if you could go on to our YouTube channel, Rob and Maria Trading. And if you could subscribe and hit like to any of the videos you've seen, we'd really appreciate it. On that channel, we do tell you a great detail how we trade SPX. We go a lot of stock trades. My wife, Maria, she does a lot of trades in both options and stocks, earnings trades especially. And she's very, very successful doing that, more successful than me, actually. And then Tyler, my son, he's 30 years old. He started his fund 3 or 4 months ago. He's up 10% every single month. He does primarily the wheel strategy, and he does a lot of day trading scalps on the NQs, and he can show you how he does that. At any rate, we have a lot of fun on our channel, but it is very serious. Everything we do is based on math. Remember, trade with your heart, trade with your head, not with your heart. Trade small, trade often, and math makes money. You have a great trading day.